Actually, very few people that stop by here know what an aluminum extrusion is. We've had questions, did you mold this? Did you pour it? Did you cut it with an EDM wire machine? The easiest way to explain is, as a kid when you played with the Play-Doh Fun Factory, you actually take Play-Doh, you press it through, and it comes out as a certain profile. We do all aluminum. Hi, I'm Chris Millines from Bonnell Aluminum. We offer custom fabricated and extruded aluminum products. We specialize in custom aluminum extrusions. We go anywhere from a 16-inch circle size down to a 1-inch circle size and smaller. Anywhere from custom lengths, short lengths cut, all the way to 40 foot. We offer fabrication and cut to length miters, drilled and punched holes. We can install other parts such as rib nuts, and then we also do custom machining, drilling and tapping, or milling. One of the common products that extrusions are used for are heat sinks. They allow for a very heavy base with fins to help dissipate the heat. So here's a few examples of hollow extrusions. You can have complex hollows that are specialty for a purpose, or you can have round holes that we can use to be drilled and tapped, or even to push a connector in. Absolutely, we do offer design services where we try to take what the customer's needs are, help them with fit function for a product that is extrudable and then hopefully affordable for the market. Our preferred weight per foot are anywhere from 0.1 pounds per foot all the way up to 20 pounds per foot according to alloy and profile. Here's an example of a kit that we offer. It's a TV stand that we had custom made. So the way this would be shipped was just individual parts, all of the connectors and the covers that then the end user can take and assemble, and in our case, hang a TV for a display. You can make anything out of it. These products are used in most any industry now for assembly tables, CNC frames, you name it, these products are being used now. This is our answer to an erector set. What we'll do is take a log, we'll cut that down into a billet that is optimized for our run out length. We'll put that into the press, and as it comes out, there's a stretcher that'll grab that, pull it down the table, and then we'll cut that into a long length. Fans or water could be cooling according to the temperature. Slides over to the side, we grip both sides and we stretch it into shape. We'll cut that into shorter lengths, and then we push that over to our carts that'll go in for heat treating. Wall thickness is not as tricky as dimensional constraints. The best way to explain is if you think of a tree, the stump of a tree doesn't move in the wind, but the top does. So if you look at an extrusion, for example, would be such as this. It's very easy to maintain a tolerance at the bottom. There's nowhere to move. At the top, there's a lot more movement. A couple of things that's special about Bonnell, we have excellent customer service. We have representatives throughout the U.S. to cover, and then we also offer custom design needs for customers to try to help with their custom products. Get us involved early at Bonnell Aluminum for your custom extrusion needs. We're located in Newnan, Georgia, Carthage, Tennessee, Elkhart, Indiana, Niles, Michigan, and Salt Lake City, Utah.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.